Respect for authority. And Jesus came and spake unto them, saying, All authority is given unto me in heaven and in earth. Matthew chapter 28 verse 18. Have respect for authority. Jesus Christ was under the authority of his Father in heaven. He lived for one thing, to fulfill the will of the Father. Everyone is subject to some kind of authority. There is one chain of command, and the ultimate authority at the top is God. What is the authority in your life? Is it your selfishness? Your lust? Your greed? Or have you turned it all over to God and said, Lord, you are going to be my authority? When you are under authority, you are then able to assume authority. Prayer for the day. There are still areas in my life that need to come under your authority, Lord Jesus. Give me your grace and strength to yield everything to you.